CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ki Nongtrei jong ki bank bala Pynïaid da sarkar ki badan hapo ka shatri jong ka joint platform of Central Trade Union but ka independent sectoral all India federations and association hagala asngiu belai jong ka arpu pratrik unai leber arazar arpu kila sange etrai kam shipor ban Pyrshah ya ka jing thmu jong ka sarkar ban Aiti ya ki bank ban Pynïaid da ki Kynun jong ki reu Shimet Hanong ba Shalong ki Nongtrei bank kili alum lang hajan ke MCAP complex bandawa ya ke sarkar bakadai ban pendamno ya ke labor codes bat ya ke Essential Defence Service Act bat kiwei di ki jing dawa bakila pha sya ke sarkar.
We demand all the yearning pension scheme.
This rally will focus on employees from government, public and private sectors organized by the Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union Associations MJCQNA in observance of 2 days national-wide strike by the Joint Forum of all Trade Unions of India and held at Shillong on 28 March 2022 unanimously adopted the following resolutions for immediate attention of the Union Government that urges the authorities concerned to take necessary steps for the welfare of the masses. This rally of workers and employees unanimously resolves to urge upon the government at the centre and the states to pay heed to the 12-point charter of demands raised by all trade unions during this general strike action being organized today and tomorrow, the 29th March 2022, and take action for the resolutions at the earliest. The rally of workers and employees of Shillong, Meghalaya further express serious concern at the reported move of the Indian government to reduce EPF interest rates for 2021 and 22 to 8.1% to 8.5%, lowest in the 4 decades. It is reported that the EPF board in its meeting held at Guwahati recently has decided to slash the interest rate. This decision was taken despite of the fact that EPF's corpus has shot up to 8.29 lakhs crores in 2021 to 9.4 lakhs crore in 21 and 22. The following low interest rates is a big disappointment to the billions of EPFO subscribers, which further points at the dismissal rate. The rally also resolved to resist its attack on the working class that comes in the background of mounting hardships, job losses, price rise, etc. The rally takes serious note on the hike of prices of essential fuel, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, etc. across the country that ultimately imposes burden on the people who are already in distress due to the unbearable rise in prices of the essential commodities. This rally condemns the huge hike of rupees 25 per litre of diesel for the bulk buyers, the burden of which will be passed on the masses using public transport and such other services to cascading.